raining now, but that's why they will not go there. Ah, Panda, Oreo is here. Come, Oreo, come. You are shivering. Already finish it now. Kawawa naman yung baby ko. Dali. Babu! Ay. Finish it. Or finish it. I just refill. I just put the cat food. Then when I go there, I forget to beat you. Finish it, ha? Abu, finish it. Aswad, finish it. Finish it. Oreo, finish it now. Just put it here. Because it's raining. That's why I want to make save their food so that there will not be put of water here. Skin, Oreo. Kawawa naman si Oreo eh. Jinjin! Muning! Cream oh! I'm here beside the mosque. Yala, tal. I put first your water, huh? There's someone put spaghetti. But maybe the cat, she won't eat like that. That's okay, we'll put cat food. Dagiga ha, dagiga. We'll put water. Yan ha, wait. Agoy. I put here in the tree so that they will not be angry with me. I will change the water. Yala. She is pregnant. Piti. Aray ko. Yala. Tali. Ila. Rico. I'll always bring this one every day. Here. Yala. Ita. Muning, you are here, Muning. Taal. Ayaw, wag mo anuhin si Muning. Yala, Muning. Come, Muning. Dali. Yala, eat. No, don't be afraid. Yala. No. Meron ka dito, yala. Wag yan. Wag mo nang kunin kasi andi doon. Yala. Go here. Yala, Muning. Yala. Eat. No. Yan, Muning yan. No. Aray. Pasaway. No. Come here. Here. Come. Eat na ikaw, Muning. Yala, tiger. You have food here, baby. Yala. Eat na ikaw, Muning. Si Cream, oh. Yala. Hindi pala to si Cream, oh. Yala. Oreo, come. Oreo. Here. Oreo. Come here. Yala. Kawawa naman eh. Gutom talaga. They're very, very hungry because now too much cold here. Yala. Bye for now, ha?